3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of the Delta II with GRAIL.
So this is the process called the rollback. What you're seeing behind us is the Delta II rocket, but around it is the support tower. And in the rollback process, the tower is going to separate and move away.
I'm thrilled to be here, thrilled to be at this state one day before launch. And let me tell you a little bit about the science of the GRAIL mission. We're essentially getting a picture into the interior of the moon, which we intend to combine with the plethora of orbital observations that have been taken up the surface and are being taken up the surface today, and to combine those with the treasure of the lunar samples that we continue to analyze. And from those collective observations, we intend to provide a holistic view of the origin and the evolution of the moon, and by extension, how other rocky planets in the inner solar system formed.
While GRAIL is in orbit and it's doing its gravitational experiments, MoonKAM will serve as eyes on the moon for students. Engaging in real-world science is going to help not just to help us develop scientifically literate citizens, but hopefully to encourage students to enter careers that have to do with science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. It's difficult for us to measure the impact of inspiration, but NASA does have that inspiration factor, and our students certainly need that, and it's something they can get excited about.
So I celebrate the legacy of NASA, the legacy of its science missions, the legacy of what it is to explore, going where no one has gone before, relying not only on what an astronaut tells you, but on images and on chart recorders and on every possible way you can probe what it is you don't otherwise understand. Because therein is the power of what it is to explore, armed with the methods and tools of science, enabled by the creativity of engineering. That is this marriage that has existed ever since the beginning of the birth of science.
Following personnel report ready to continue with countdown on channel 1. ATC 3. Ready. SSC. Ready. SCM. Ready. GE. Ready. Spectre 6. Ready. FSC. Ready. TM2. Ready.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and liftoff of the Delta II with GRAIL on a journey to the center of the moon.
Chamber pressure rising in all 6 grounded solid motors. Good chamber pressure on the main engine. Good chamber pressure on both verniers. Good chamber pressure